Okay, we are going to learn how to program this 3-button remote control for the overhead door Legacy garage door opener. Here's the model number that I chose to get. All right, so it comes in the bag. I might have to pause a few times just to do stuff. So I'm going to cut the battery out of here and cut the opener out of there. Then we are going to open this battery door here and put this battery in there. Make sure it's down nice. All right, then we're going to put this back on there. Once the battery's in, you decide what button you want to program to what door. So in my garage, I have 2 doors. I have a single car and a double car. So I'm going to do this big one in the middle for this double car. So we go up here and push this button here. When the light's blinking, we're going to push this button. Then when you push it, you see the light stop blinking, but it's still on. Push the button again. That light goes off. You know you're done. So let's test it and see if it works. Push the button. Garage door opens.